What up, ladies and gentlemen? Today I'm going to show you very quickly how to set up your new online notebook and folder in your Google Drive for our new unit. So, the first thing you want to do is you want to log into your Wake ID portal just like I am. Now, obviously, since I'm a teacher, I do have more apps than a student, but you need to find your Google Drive logo, open that up, and then you're going to find your 7th grade science folder. If you don't have one, then you need to create a folder in your Google Drive titled 7th grade science. I want you to open up that 7th grade science folder. Then I want you to come over here to the left hand side where it's the new button with the plus on it, and you're going to click on new, and you're going to create a new folder. And you're going to title it Unit 3, 3 cells. You're going to click Create. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to actually add your online notebook. You're going to go to this Canvas page that you are currently watching this video on, and underneath you'll see the link, Unit 3 Cells Online Notebook link. You're going to click that link, and it's going to take you to a page that says Copy Document. You want to click Make a Copy. Boom. It's going to load, and if you want to, I recommend this because it does get annoying for me. You want to, in the title or the name of the document, you want to delete out Copy Of, so it just says Cells Online Notebook. The only thing you need to do is you will need to type your name where it says your name, and everything else on your table of contents page as well as the first page of notes has already been set up for you. So that's all you need to do for your online notebook. After you make your online notebook, you're going to watch a TED Ed video, and then you're going to take some notes on cell theory. So have a good rest of your day. I'll see you later.